Hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. I always feel that if we can get through Wednesday, we're going to be A-OK. Everybody settle on in. Let me just get a sip of water. Wow. All right, everybody, get into a comfortable place. It is rainy and dreary in Washington, D.C. It was cold. It's supposed to be the longest day of the year today. So I'm a little surprised with the weather, but happy to be here and happy to do it. While we're waiting for everybody to join in, let me know where in the world you all are calling in from. We have a lot of Texans in the house. We have some people from Mauritius. We have some people from Nepal. We have people from Trinidad, of course, the USA, New York City. And just let me know where you're coming in. North Carolina. Mimi, I've seen you here. Inglewood, California. Nerve pain in the neck. All right, we'll try to do some nerve pain. All right, Mimi. Okay, thank you so much. All right. Oh my God, Guyana. Wonderful. We have some family there. Fantastic. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much for the love. All right, just waiting for a few more folks to join in. And while we gather everyone in, I want everybody to get really comfortable. And I want you to go ahead and put your feet up, and you can go ahead and do these points laying down, sitting down, whatever you want. Just waiting for a few more folks to come in, and then I'm going to open it up for questions. Okay, we've got a good amount of people. So here's the deal. I definitely want to help everybody. It is my duty, my pleasure to help all of you. Hello, hello, hello. So what I want you all to do is put your questions in the chat, and we give a little bit of priority. Thank you so much, Boss Mona. Thank you so much. I don't have my glasses on, so if I mispronounce your name, please excuse me. I don't have my gals, Addison and Lauren, here tonight, so I will do my best. Thank you, Mimi. Wow, the love tonight is fantastic. So fantastic. All right, let me know what you guys want to work on. And again, you guys know that subscribers, it's the yellow star in the lower left-hand corner, and that I'll give you priority as far as questions. And then also, I will also remember all the donations, all the roses, all the diamonds, all the everything, all the subscriptions goes to free clinic in India and also downtown DC in the coming months. So I'm going to have all of you come out and get treatments from me and also volunteer. So I give priority to subscribers, but I'll do my best to get to everybody. So while we're waiting for subscribers to go ahead and let me know what they want to work on, or if they want to come on a live guest, then let me go ahead and do some other questions while we're waiting for subscribers. Again, subscribers get first priority. All right, first question that we are getting is, I want to talk about stress. Anything that you do for acupressure is going to release stress because it releases endorphins, opioids, serotonin, and also dopamine. So regardless of what you're feeling, I want you to do stress points. So first point that I want to do is I want to quickly cover fibromyalgia. There was a gal that talked about fibro, and fibro has been coming up quite a bit. And so remember, in Chinese medicine, the entire finger represents pretty much the thumb. And so thank you so much. Remember, all the money goes to the free clinic. Thank you so much. And do consider the subscription. So remember, the fingers are represented by the entire torso. So what I want you to do is, if you're having full body pain, or if you're having fibro, which can be episodes of shoulder, back, and so forth, what I want you to consider doing is to go ahead and I want you to massage the fingertips just like this, or you can even do it like this. So this can pretty much help with pain all over the body, including fibro pain. So do consider that. Just remember, if you're pregnant, I don't want you to do the palms because the uterus is represented by the palm, and I don't want anything to happen as far as contractions. So as long as you are not pregnant and you have fibro, you can certainly just massage the fingers. You can do it just, finger at a time, or you can get all the fingers because the entire torso is represented by each finger. So wanted to cover fibro. As far as acid reflux, as long as you're not pregnant, remember, no hand and foot points if you are pregnant. What you can do is basically just this point. Remember, this represents the mouth. So it represents all the way from the mouth all the way to the anus. So it can cover anything from an ulcer, to gums, to toothache, to jaw pain, to nausea, to acid reflux, to GI, stomach pain, and so forth. So I want you to consider doing this a couple minutes, a couple times a day if you are struggling with acid reflux. The other thing you can do with acid reflux is you can put a little bit of baking soda in water and drink the water, and that can help you with acid reflux. And we will cover back pain. Also, we had quite a few people talk about ringing in the ear and hair. So let's go ahead and talk about hair real quick, and then we'll get into back and neck pain and shoulder pain. So hang tight, everybody. We will do our best to. So for hair, there's a couple of tips you can do. So you can get a wooden comb. If you go to the second link in the bio, you'll see the wooden comb. And where you have the bald spot, you can massage. I had a bald spot right here, and I was able to help myself. So what I did is I pretty much massaged the bald spot, and then I used rosemary oil and put it there, and I don't have a bald spot anymore. The other thing you can use in addition to this is a derm roller. You can certainly use the derm roller, also the second link in the bio. Just do it a couple minutes, a couple times a day. It stimulates the follicle cell growth. And also you can put rosemary oil after that, and that will help you with hair loss. This has been scientifically proven to help with hair growth. These are little things that can help you to stimulate the follicle. Are there any points that help with social anxiety? Yes. So subscriber Mama, let me take care of you, Mama Sunshine. So social anxiety, you know what really helps me that can help you is 3-point protocol. Actually, let's do it all together. Everybody phones down. Let's do these points together. Mama, let me take care of you. And I want you to get in the habit of doing these points so that you remember. So before you go to a social event or you have to present or anything like that, what you can do is yin tong. Let's do it for 30 seconds. The reason why this helps is that this is basically behind the pituitary gland, and this can regulate a lot of hormone. It can decrease cortisol. It can help with thyroid, estrogen, progesterone, FSH, LH. So by helping with endocrine, this can also help you to not have as much social anxiety. So I want you to do this before you go to an event or before you present. The other thing you can do is this point. Let's do it together. I always feel really, really good doing this point. So I want you to consider doing this point with me for 30 seconds, but in reality, you're going to do this for me for a couple minutes, couple times a day. So this point, the reason why this helps is that if you look at the mirror image, it's like this, it's also like this, it's also like this. So when you have that kind of discomfort, then you can help redistribute the serotonin in your body, and you're going to feel better. So Mama Sunshine, I want you to continue to do this for me. And then the next point that you're going to do, you know this point, it's ear shen men. And so what I want you to do is you can use the ear seeds and you can acupress on this area right here. Or what you can do is you can take your famous pencil, my famous red pencil, and I want you to, yes, that feels amazing, Sean. Let's see, Sean, Amy, that feels really good. Yes. So what you're going to do is massage this on both ears. This point right here, you're going to massage on both ears, or you're going to go to the second link in the bio and you're going to grab all the tools or whatever you want. I've done my best to gouge Amazon so that gets delivered right to your doorstep. So fantastic. You're going to do the other ear as well. And what I do is if I'm presenting, I work at a hospital, the days that I'm presenting, I tack these on in the morning and they really help. So Mama Sunshine, let me know if you did some of these points. How do you feel? I already feel better. So the 3 points that you're going to do when you're feeling like you're going to have social anxiety or you're going to have to present or you have to go to an event is yin tong. Then you're going to go like this and do this point couple minutes, couple times a day. You're also going to put the ear seeds on ear shen men, and you're going to let them naturally fall off. So that's a really good thing. All right, let's go ahead. Remember, subscribers, Mama Sunshine said subscribers, so I gave her priority as far as questions. I'm going to do my best to get to everybody. And just know that your hard-earned money, whether it's diamonds or subscriptions, I give it to the free clinic. Each subscription lets me do 5 treatments a month, and we're going to go ahead and do them in Washington, D.C. and Hyderabad. Okay, let's go ahead and also cover a few other things. Let's see. Ooh, a lot of good questions. Let's see. How do you properly clean your ears? I just use a little bit of soap and water and then just kind of rinse it out. Try not to get the water in the ear, though. Let's see. This gal right here, Maria, I just had a hysterectomy, and the ear pressure, I can feel some discomfort in my surgery site. Okay, really good question. We had this coming up with ringing in the ear, and also with this question for Maria. So as long as you're not pregnant, remember, hand and feet points you can't do if you're pregnant. What you can do is that if you're having ringing in the ear or anything that's going on with the ear, there are 2 points that you can do. So you basically can do liver, let's see, you can do spleen 4, and you can also do triple warmer 3. So these 2 points. So you're gonna basically massage from the big toe to the medial aspect of the ankle. You're just going to massage like this, and you're also going to go ahead and massage from the web to all the way to the wrist. So you're going to massage just like this, and that's going to help with any type of discomfort in the ear, especially ringing ear. Also help you with jaw pain. Also, these are great points for endocrine. But all these things, you got to work with your doctor. You absolutely have to work with your doctor. All right. Let's do this. A lot of people asked about back pain. Okay, are these points beneficial for children? Yes, absolutely. You can do these when you're 80, you can do these when you're 8, and you can do this when you're 2. But what I will say is that, you can't do hand and foot points when you're pregnant. So we talked about hair loss, but hair loss, you can use a wooden comb, or you can use a derm roller, second link in the bio. You can use it on the site. And you can put rosemary oil afterwards. This probably sounds dumb, but anything to do rid of poison ivy, I would talk to your doctor. I think the last time I had poison ivy, I actually put baking soda on it, but that's me. I don't want to give you any false medical advice. I want you to research it, and I want you to talk to your doctor. All right, let's go ahead and talk about arthritis real quick. We had a lot of questions about arthritis. So arthritis, almost everybody will develop, if not everybody. I think there's only one species of fish that doesn't have arthritis. And so what you can do for arthritis that's simple is that you can drink cinnamon tea and ginger tea. Cinnamon helps with pain, and ginger actually has an enzyme that relaxes the tissue, so you're not as much in pain. If you have arthritis like RA, you can even do a ginger patch, or you can slice some ginger, put it in some water, and soak your hand, or you can take a towel and you can simply slice some ginger, soak it in warm water, and then you can soak the towel and put that on your back as well. So that will help you with arthritis in the back. So a lot of people asking about back and shoulder and neck things. So let's talk about that. And we're going to do some acupressure together while we wait for some subscribers. Again, subscribers, you get top priority. So what is the subscription? It is on the lower left-hand corner. It is the star. So I want you to consider hitting the star and becoming a subscriber, and that helps me fund free clinics in US and India. And you're all going to come out and check out the free clinic. You're going to get treatments from me, and we're going to help, because I believe that healthcare is a basic human right. So help me to help others, and all your hard-earned money will help me to do that. Okay, let's talk about back pain. So we have Adam here. So everybody, I'm going to walk you through what to do, and we're all going to do it. So I can tell you where I see the common sources of pain that everybody has. So basically everybody pretty much has neck pain right here. They also have neck pain that goes from the neck all the way to the shoulder right here. They also have spinal pain. They also have shoulder blade pain, and they also have sacrum pain, and they also have low back pain. So when people say they have low back pain, it can be a lot of different things. It could be hip pain, it can be sacrum pain, it could be coccyx pain, it could also be lower back pain. So what I try to do is I try to give you 3 points. And these 3 points, you can't do them if you're pregnant. That's the only catch. But they will help you with all sorts of headaches. This will help you with all sorts of neck pain. They will help you with all sorts of upper back pain. They will also help you open up the spine and let things innervate, and also they help you open up this area. Folks that have sciatica, what that means is basically the nerve exiting L4, L5 is that it goes down the sciatic, and the sciatic nerve is inflamed, and as a result you have pain down the legs, either the back of the legs, the side of the legs, or the front of the legs, and you might also have foot pain. And so I'm going to give you 3 points that if you're struggling with headaches, if you're struggling with back pain, if you're struggling with neck pain, these are really good points. The only catch is you can't do it if you're pregnant. Let me also explain one other thing, and we're going to do the points together. So hang tight with me really quickly. So this is a model of the hand. So in Chinese medicine, the best points, the best pressure is between, these are called metacarpals, and these are phalanges. You have the proximal, you have the middle, and you have the distal phalange. So what is, but pretty much between each of the fingers, you have this web tissue right here, just like right here and right here and right here and right here. And so what happens when you have that web tissue is that's where the best acupressure points are. So that's what I'm going to focus on. So as long as you're not pregnant, everybody put their phones down. We're going to do these points together. And again, subscribers, you get first call as far as question. Mama Sunshine, did you do that for social anxiety? Do you feel better? Do let me know. So subscribers, yellow star, lower left-hand corner, and it helps me to help you. And it helps me to do the free clinics in India and US, Washington, D.C., and Hyderabad. Here we come. So for back pain, everybody put your phones down. Let's do this together. And you can't be pregnant. If you're pregnant, can't do these points. First point we're going to do is let's do this. I want you to do this a couple minutes, couple times a day, but illustration purposes, we're just going to do it for about a minute, maybe 30 seconds. And this point, why does this point work? This point is a phenomenal point. This point can help you with back of the head headaches. This point can also help you with maxillary sinus headaches. This point can also help you with shoulder blade, upper back discomfort, spinal pain. This point can also help you, let's see, Mama Sunshine, yes, I feel so much better, even more awake. I'm going to try the seeds. Yes, second link in the bio. And Mama Sunshine, keep letting me know how you are. Keep me posted, dear. I love hearing about how you guys do with my protocols. And do work with your doctor. Thank you so much. So here we go. So this point also works for spinal pain. It works for sacrum pain. This point also works for coccyx pain, hip pain, lateral foot pain, sciatic down the back of the leg. So as you can tell, this is a great go-to. This also helps you with metabolism if you don't feel like you're absorbing your foods really well. Okay, next point we're going to do is actually liver 3. Then what I want you guys to do is I want you to go fist on top of fist. Remember, you can't do these points if you're pregnant, but we're going to go ahead and do this point, and then you can do it for fatigue. Yes, you can do it for fatigue. Anybody feeling anything, as long as you're not pregnant, put your phones down and do this. So I want you to consider doing this. And as far as coming and seeing me, you can go to the last link in the bio. We have a clinic in Northern Virginia, right outside of DC. You can't do them if you're pregnant because I don't want to cause contractions, dear. So yes, you can do this point for losing weight. What is this point really good for? This point can help you with puffiness. This point can help you with water retention. This point can help you with this area. This point can help you with headaches right here. This point can help you with ringing ear. This point can help you with lateral pain. This point can help you with hip pain. At this point can help you with lateral sciatica. So this point can help you with a lot of different discomfort. So this is a good go-to as well. And then next point we're going to do, as long as you're not pregnant, is basically this point. So what I want you to do is I want you to put fist on top of fist, and I want you to do this point. And let's do this together for just a little longer. This point is a great point for sciatica, low back pain. This point is also really good for this discomfort. This point can help you with toothache. This point can help you with gas, bloating, metabolism, spinal pain. This point can also help you with neck pain. This point can help you with sacrum pain, coccyx pain, sciatica down the back of the leg. So this is also a really good point that you can do. Okay, fantastic. Everybody, I want you to go ahead and rotate your neck. And if you can't, don't push it. Just do what you can. Gently rotate it as best as you can. And then I also want you to wiggle your back just a little bit, like a little dance, wiggle away. And I want you to tell me in the chat, do you feel better? Do you feel, Luna, do you feel better? Let me know if you feel better. So go ahead and let me know, do you guys feel better? Yes, yes. Is your neck pain a little bit less? Is your headaches a little bit less? Is your back pain a little bit less? Yes, okay, fantastic. So yes, the tinglies, the blood flow through the body. Okay, so this is, okay, thank you so much. You can do this for shoulder pain, and you can do this for ear. And yes, and you feel more, yes, okay, woo! Okay. Okay, fantastic. I love it. So keep in mind that. Oh, you're welcome, Sherry. Thank you so much, Sherry Lynn. Thank you. Okay, fantastic. So here's the thing, you guys. You got to do these point couple minutes, couple times a day. You just I want you to feel better long term. Of course, you got to work with your doctor, and you can't do the hand points if you're pregnant. But I want you to do these points couple minutes, couple times a day, and then till the point you have 2 weeks where you're not feeling this discomfort, then you will be good. But you need to keep on these points. So again, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, couple minutes, couple times a day. And then, work with your doctor and do them until you no longer have the pain. I know it's amazing. It's amazing. So for all of you that have a headache right now and you're not pregnant, 1, 2, and 3, I want you to do, and I want you to drink some water and go to bed early. All right, you guys, I'm opening it up for questions. I'm going to do another 15 minutes of questions, and then I'm going to take a little break and come back on the live. So subscribers, I give you top priority. In order to become a subscriber, you hit the yellow star in the lower left-hand corner. It is $5, but I get half of that, and it helps me fund 5 free treatments. I have a job at a hospital, so I can take care of myself. All the money from all of you guys goes to helping other people, and I want you to come get treatments from me. And then I also want you I want you to come get treatments from me and help me to help others. So do consider the subscription. All right, let's go ahead and go through while we're waiting for subscribers. Let's you have your first acupuncture appointment on Friday, Gabby. I'm so excited. What I would do is ask the acupuncturist how much experience they have, make sure they have a valid license, and you're going to feel really relaxed. That's the very least. If not, they may be able to really reduce your pain, whatever you may be working on. Okay, let's go through. While I'm waiting for subscribers to ask questions or to subscribe, let me go through the questions. Bear with me, and let me see if there's a pattern among the questions. How can I become an acupuncturist? I love you so much. Wow. So the way you can become an acupuncturist is OCOM, OCOM, OCOM. It's the best school in the country. That's where I want. So you can call them up. Yes. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. Hang with me. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's see. Two-step. Welcome to the family. Thank you. Two-step. Oh my gosh, thank you. Two-step, what do you want to do today? What is your question? Subscribers get priority. I'm going to do my best to take care of everybody. And you guys are all coming to the clinic. Whether or not you are a subscriber, you are going to come to the clinic. But subscribers, I will give you a little bit of extra TLC. All right, while we're waiting for Two-step to ask the question, let me run through and see if there's other questions or there's a pattern that I can see. You guys have so many good questions today. Goodness. Wow. All right, let me hang tight. Okay, the people who are asking about uterine, what is the specific question? Can you give me a little bit more? So there's 2 questions that come up a lot is hair loss and eye bags. So what you can do for eye bags is pretty much OCOM, got it. I already in love with holistic. I think it would be great to become an acupuncturist. Yes, OCOM is the best school in the country. And the other thing I would tell you is to consider doing a free clinic or getting some experience abroad, because then you're going to be really, really great at it. Fantastic, fantastic. Okay, eye bags right here, right? I know I work like to do all this. I want to do my free clinic. So I'm working like multiple jobs and doing all that. So I have eye bags too. What do? You can get like a little bit of a caffeine, like ink, I think makes a good caffeine. You can put it underneath. But you know what also works really easy that can help you is you already did it. Upper back. Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you so much. Be sure to do it a couple minutes, couple times a day, Two-step. And also throw an ice pack on the back. That can really help. Yes, eye bags. You can even use a caffeine tea bag and put it over the eye. You can also get, I think ink makes a like a caffeine for underneath the eye. And then also you're welcome two-step. And then the other thing you can do is take a spoon, put it in the fridge, and then take it out of the fridge and put it over your eye every night. And that can help with the puffiness. And then also hair loss. A lot of people asking about hair loss tonight. I think you guys are stressed out. You know, it's actually a real pathology in Chinese medicine. When you are stressed, you will lose hair so much, and we can cover gaining weight in a second. So for hair loss, you can get a wooden comb, second link in the bio, or a derm roller right here. And what you can do on the derm roller is you can pretty much use it on the spot that you're bald, and then you can apply the rosemary oil afterwards, and that will help with hair loss. So do consider doing that every day. I had a bald spot here, and you can see it maybe is still a little bit, but it is pretty much gone. So I did have a bald spot. It's gone. Okay, there was a question on reversing type 2 diabetes. So let me give you a couple of points that you can do. Also, menopause night sweats. Miriam, this is also really good for you. So for, let's see, type 2 diabetes, there's a 3-point protocol you can do, and this same protocol also applies for night sweats because it's endocrine. This helps with endocrine. You can do this point right here, and then in addition to doing that point a couple minutes, couple times a day, what you can also do is you can do triple warmer 3 and also spleen 4. Triple warmer 3 and spleen 4. I want you to do that a couple minutes, couple times a day. And also for endocrine, you can also, for diabetes, lime water and cinnamon tea really helps. Lime water and cinnamon tea. All right, you guys, I'm going to do subscribers. I'm calling for subscribers. Become a subscriber, or if you're a subscriber already on here, let me know what you want. If you want to become a subscriber, it really helps me run my free clinics in Washington, D.C. and Hyderabad in 2024. I take care of myself. All the money goes to the free clinic. So excited. I want you to come and get treatments from me and help me to help others. So you can become a subscriber by the yellow star in the lower left-hand corner. So calling for subscribers. While I call it for subscribers, yellow star in the lower left-hand corner, I'm going to open it up for questions. Everybody put your questions in. Subscribers get priority, but let me do my best to try to take care of everybody. So go ahead and put your questions in the chat, please. And while I wait for that, let me see if there's a pattern. For gaining weight, walnuts. Walnuts are really good. They're high in calories, but they will help you tremendously as well. So let's go ahead and do, okay. All right, Dawn, thank you for being here. You have hypothyroidism. Okay, and then, all right, so for Dawn, for hypo, what you can do, let me give you a little bit of a protocol. I'm going to give you a 4-point protocol that you can do for hypo. For hypo, do work with your doctor. There is a diet, but I want your doctor to give you the diet. But let me give you acupressure points that you can do for hypothyroidism. And what you can do for hypothyroidism is pretty much, again, yin tong. And then what you can also do is this point right here, large intestine 5. You can massage. It could be tender on you. And then you can also do the spleen 4, this point right here, from massage all the way from the medial aspect of the toe all the way to the back of the toe, as well as triple warmer 3. So again, for hyperthyroid, for my subscriber, what you can do is, again, talk to your doctor about a diet. There's certain foods, yin tong. You can also do large intestine 4, both sides. I want you to do spleen 4, both sides. And I also want you to do triple warmer 3 on both sides. Yes, okay, fantastic. Let me go through and see if there is a good pattern that I can do. So Dawn, did I answer your question, dear? Can you let me know? Oh, you're welcome. Love you. I do work with your doctor and do the points. I have seen it help. So do work with your doctor and do the points. For bringing back a period, there is a bunch of YouTubes. So go to my YouTube, and what you can do is there's a 30-day free free course that you can do for bringing back a cycle, whatever stage. If you're trying to regulate your cycle, you're a young woman, or if you're trying to regulate your cycle to figure out your fertility window, or you're in the later stage and you want to regulate your cycle. So you can do that. So I want you to, if you're trying to regulate your cycle, there is a 30-day free course for women. And for gentlemen, there's a 45-day free course for regulating for PE and ED type issues. And also what simple point you can do is just this point. This can help with regulating a cycle. Fantastic. All right. You are welcome. You are welcome. Okay. So I want to just also ask you, is it easy to get pregnant at 38? So this is a tough question. I don't know your medical history, and I'm not a doctor. I'm an acupuncturist. But what I can tell you from my clinical experience is I can tell you that I have seen so many women in their 30s and 40s get pregnant naturally. So, I know I'm not a doctor, and I really wish I was, because I can give you more statistics and more education and also give you more examination. I really wish I'd become a traditional doctor along with acupuncture, but what I would say is I have with my own eyes seen lots of women in their 30s and 40s become pregnant. So that's what I can share with you, what I know. So really, really good. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And again, yes, there's a free course on YouTube for regulating a cycle. All right, you guys, let's do this. I'm going to talk to you about a couple things. Subscribers, last call for subscribers. Hit the yellow star, lower left-hand corner. Let me know if you, yes, see, Reiki right here, 46 and had a baby last year. I've seen 48-year-olds, 52-year-olds get pregnant. So I can just tell you what I've seen. So I know it's tough getting news from your doctor. It is tough, and it can make you sad. I understand. I definitely understand that. But I have seen so many great things. So I just want to keep it positive. Okay. All right, so let's do this. A couple of things I want to cover. I am calling last call for subscribers. I do want to give subscribers priority because they help me to run their free clinics, and I want all of you, regardless of whether or not you're a subscriber, to come and help me. And then what I also want to tell you, there's a couple of people asking about eye inflammation. Remember, if you look at the mirror image, it's like this, and it's also like this. So really, the knuckles represent the eyes. So what I want you to do is simply massage the knuckles, and they will help you with the eyes. I know it's crazy, isn't it? But it can help. Okay, and then there was another question, lung health. And just can't do this point if you're pregnant. But this is also a really good thing that you can do, is as long as you're not pregnant, you can get, for lung health, you can get this dry brush. You can get the second link in the bio, or you can just get a regular brush, whatever you want. But I got, it's about $10 or less. And what you're going to do is the medial palm side of the wrist, you're going to massage. So palm side of the wrist, you're just going to massage like this, and this will help you. This will help you with opening up the lung health. It can help with allergies, it can help with asthma, and it can help you with all that. How do we make an appointment with you at your clinic? Last link in the bio, lady. Last link in the bio. Yes. Yes, you guys are on hair loss today. So it is pretty much what you can do is, again, this wooden comb and also this derm roller. What I want you to do is pretty much massage where you want that you have hair loss, either using this or using this. This is also great for wrinkles. I love this. My skin feels amazing when we do this. It just does. And then for the hair, rosemary oil. You can get rosemary oil, or you can go to my YouTube channel, and I show you a video on how to make rosemary water. It's super easy. You take rosemary, boil it in some water, let the water cool, drain the rosemary, put it in a spray bottle, and use it. It feels like a natural conditioner, and that can help. That's medically proven to help you with hair loss. All right, you guys, last call for subscribers. Hit that yellow star in the lower left-hand corner. Help me to help you and help me to run those free clinics. And let's do 3-point protocol. This one's going to help you with blood pressure. It's going to help you with cravings, whether it's something more serious or sugar cravings, salt carb cravings. It's also going to help you sleep. So everybody put their phones down. Let's feel good. Let's do this protocol together. So what this protocol is on the ear, we're going to do ear shen men. Let's do it together. And you can use the ear seeds right here, second link in bio, or I'm going to get you a fancy red eraser, and what I want you to do is simply massage this right here. We're gonna, oh, it feels so good. You guys feel good? I feel good. It's this point. Do you feel good? I feel good. I want you to do this point. And then what we're also going to do is we're also going to do the next point right here is we're going to go ahead and massage this point, and that's going to feel amazing, amazing, amazing. This will help you with stress, anger, anxiety, focus, memory. This point also can help you with period cramps. This point can help you sleep. This point can help you with memory. This actually point can help you with constipation too. It's amazing what a simple point can make you feel so good. You know, in my eyes, if you release the constipation, you're not as bloated and you're actually happier. It's like the toxins left your body. Next, we're going to massage the rim of the ear. If you can see the rim of the ear, we're going to go ahead and massage the rim of the ear. This is a great blood pressure point, but for blood pressure, do not mess around. See your doctor, work with your doctor. So I want you to definitely work with your doctor and blood pressure, but this point can help. This is also a great insomnia point. This also is a great point for cravings. If you're trying to curb nicotine cravings or salt, sugar, or carb cravings, this is a great point. This point is also a great point to help on toddlers as well. So I want you to do it both sides. All these points, I want you to use as much pressure, and I want you to do a couple minutes, couple times a day. So I want you, for the COPD, try the dry brushing. You can definitely do that, and that will help you. Last thing we're going to do together is I want you to take the palm of your hands. I'm going to cuff the back of the ear, and I want you to massage this right here, a couple minutes, couple times a day. This will help you with sleep, blood pressure. This will help you with carb and sugar cravings. This will help you just relax. If you're angry, sad, depressed, anxious, social anxiety, this will help you to relax. All these points, couple minutes, couple times a day. All right, you guys, I'm going to take a 10-minute break, and I'm going to come back on here. I'm going to do another live. I usually do them at 8:30, but today my schedule opened up, so I came here earlier. So I'm going to come back in about 10 minutes. You're welcome to join. Do check out our YouTube channel. There's a lot of really good information and courses that are completely free. So I spent hours times doing it. And also check out the links in the bio. We have lots of blogs I wrote months and months of blogs, and they have really good recommendations as well as really easy tips that you can do, and check out our videos and check out us on Instagram. I got hacked about a year ago. We're trying to build up Instagram, so please help me do that. All right, I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Love you all. Get a good night's rest. Bye. Love you.